You've got a shiny new card. It's sleek, it's modern, it's neon. And you're wondering, is this thing a credit card or a debit card? Good question. Because let's face it, the world of finance can be as clear as mud sometimes. So, here's the thing. Neon isn't your typical financial product. It's kind of like a hybrid. It's got elements of both credit and debit cards, but it's also unique in its own way. Let's start with the basics. A debit card is linked directly to your bank account. You spend the money you actually have. It's like using cash, but more convenient. A credit card, on the other hand, is a loan. You're borrowing money from the bank to make a purchase, and then you pay it back later, usually with interest. Now, Neon? It's a bit of both. You don't need to load it up with money beforehand like a prepaid card. You can spend beyond your account balance, like a credit card. But here's the kicker, the money is actually deducted from your bank account immediately, just like a debit card. So, is it a credit card? Not really. Is it a debit card? Not entirely. It's more like a real-time debit card with a bit of credit card flexibility. But there's more to it than that. Neon offers a bunch of other perks that make it stand out. You can earn cashback on your spending, get fee-free withdrawals, and even use it for international transactions without those pesky foreign transaction fees. It's like having a personal finance superhero in your wallet. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Even though Neon acts like a debit card in terms of money leaving your account instantly, it can be easy to overspend if you're not careful. You still need to budget and track your spending. So, while Neon might not fit neatly into the credit or debit card box, it's a fantastic tool for managing your money. It gives you flexibility without the risk of racking up debt. But as with any financial product, it's essential to understand how it works and use it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.